Welcome back to Bullets and Sorcery.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yes, it is. I really don't want to use this.
Then don't.
But I need to break his fucking fucker.
Well, maybe a regular arrow will do it.
Maybe a bomb.
Maybe a
Right the hell
heal.
above him. Well, actually, that's a good idea. Because one hit from him, and I'm going to be using a fairy. Throw, and a clean miss.
You have a regular one too that you can explode on contact, right?
Not on contact, no.
You have to let it roll.
I have to.
Yeet!
I have to tell it to explode.
Yeet!
Nothing. Fuck.
He's like, what the fuck is happening?
He is. He's like, is it a little bitch that I shot earlier? Oh my god!
You have to really get as far.
That was so close. Oh, you know, if I go to that pillar over there, I could probably actually tag him.
What the fuck's going
Or
on?
even that pillar.
Any of them.
Yeah, go over there. There we go. You know how much that would hurt?
Oh yeah.
Just like right into a wall.
Have you ever seen that? Like that's the Spider-Man movie where he's like, woo! It just slaps into the fucking billboard.
Spider-Man
Original.
2.
Original.
Oh,
with
yeah.
Tobey Maguire, the first Spider-Man.
No, I thought it was Spider-Man 2 because there's definitely a scene where he like
Well, there was
loses his powers and like falls down a fucking wall into an alley.
There might have been, but I'm just thinking of the good ones.
Spider-Man 2 was good.
With Tobey Maguire?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like this with Garfield.
And no. Nope.
I hated that movie.
Why? It was a perfectly fine Spider-Man movie. You were just pissed off because your man crush Maguire wasn't in it.
No, I was pissed off because they didn't have Mary Jane in it. They chose you somebody else.
Gwen Stacy, his original love.
No.
Yes. Oh, please argue this with me.
I won't, but I don't like it.
Well, in the comics, she's dead. So that's why you don't know her. But she was she was the first. Did that hit him? I think that hit him. It didn't do shit, but it hit him.
How much damage you gotta do to propellers?
I don't know.
So what are you trying to do? Knock him down?
Yeah, because if you wipe out, it's just like killing the legs on the other guys.
Oh, well, good luck.
Yeah.
We're gonna be here a while.
Anyway. Gwen Stacy. She was awesome. She is also now Spider-Gwen, because in an alternate universe, she became spider-powered.
I know you hit him that time.
I did. Didn't seem to do a lot, though. I think I may have hit him the other time. The time he just shot up at me. Or no, because that was the bomb arrows. I'm going to have to use an ancient. Let's see.
You might want to stun him first. That way he stops moving.
Yeah. Or do this number so that I can have bullet time. Okay. Oh, God, I thought it was going to drop into the propeller.
So you wasted 2.
No, I did not waste. I used 2. And then now I can probably take out the other propeller with regular arrows or something. I don't fucking know. He hardly seems to have slowed down at all.
He's just like, hey, you guys.
Yeah. Hey, you guys!
Jeez. Ugh.
Back up.
Fucking pillars, dude.
Mm-hmm. It's the Pillars of Nosgoth. That was probably too soon. And now I'm out over an open area where I can't hide. He's gonna kill me, like, instantly. Oh, he's down! He's down! Oh, he's on the ground and getting beat up by the Stone Smasher. Fuck you, buddy! That was an unreasonable amount of hit points. Like, seriously, they're tougher than the fucking Taluses.
Yeah, I know.
Although I think the Lionel is still tougher than them. Oh, my Stone Smasher is badly damaged.
Oh, well.
Yeah, at least I killed him.
Oh,
Holy crap.
we need more of those, 1 arrows.
Mm-hmm. Bets on whether or not we get them?
0.
Yeah.
There's a box right there.
Hmm.
Right now. Right now.
Oh, you're right.
Regular arrows. I don't fucking need regular arrows. Damn it.
I'm going to have to use every single one of my regular arrows.
Well, at least you know what you know what's in store for you.
Yeah. See, this is what I was talking about. I think this is the last stage. That's another flyer.
What the fuck is there a castle doing here?
I think this is the final stage. God, I hope this is the final stage. But there's flyers, and
There's a walker on the left.
Don't come over here, dude!
There's a walker on the left.
Yeah. Fuck. Go. Run! Shit. Bad times. Hide. Oh, go inside. Hey, treasure chest.
Arrows.
Nope.
I didn't want it anyways. Why haven't I been using that? Or the Lionel one.
Oh yeah, the Lionel one would have been, with the ancient arrows, would have been really intelligent. Whoops.
That one's that's the Lionel one that was ×3. Is this all? Oh, there's a ladder right there.
Oh, there is.
Hello.
Whoa.
Is there another chest over there?
Yes, there is. Get, dude. When I push the jump button, I want you to jump.
Yeah.
Fucking asshole. Give me this. Hey, there's a crate over there, too. Awesome. Helpful.
All good things.
Oh, okay, so there's a fucking... Yeah, one of those.
What the fuck is that?
That is a specifically Sentry Guardian.
Looks badass.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good. The walker has seen me.
Might just gotta take them on one by one, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
What weapon am I using? You know what? The fact that I don't have full weapons makes me clench up my butt cheeks a little.
Little baby clench.
Uh-huh. Just because that's, like, you're going to see me start using axes and sledgehammers and shit against guardians. Because it's all I have. Okay, I guess I should take out the walker. No? If I can, I should take out the guy in the tower first. Because he's going to be a part of any fight. Then I should take out the walker. Then I should take out that guy. Except that, no, I'm going to take out that guy first. Fucking walkers, man.
Which guy are you taking out first? Because now I'm fucking confused. You played out a whole plan, and then he goes, except, no, I'm going to take out this guy first.
The flyer. I'm taking out the flyer first.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I think he's the biggest threat. Because if he does ever, aggro on me, then he can go all over everywhere. Basically, the only way I have to hide from him is to get inside this one little fucking area. So, going up here.
It's a waste of time. It's going to be... Oh my gosh, that's the risky as fuck.
Fell off.
You heard the music, you said, shit!
Wasn't even on purpose. Okay, so I guess ancient arrows and take his ass. Oh, horses. How good for me. Great. Okay, well, you have fun over there then. What? Oh my god! All right, so tower guy first. I've changed my mind.
Okay.
First, I have to run all the way over here. Yikes. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me.
Updraft.
Oh, fuck me!
Updraft.
I don't know that... Oh, God. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so I didn't realize he could hit me anywhere on the fucking stage. So, I'm gonna go for him. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm really freaked out.
Really?
Yes, dude, because, like, this is it. And if I fail this, I have to go back through all of that other
You have
shit.
like 4 fairies.
Yeah, but those only bring me back to 3 fairies, first of all. And those only bring me back to 5 hearts, which these guys take out in a sec. I need to make sure that I am not on the ancient arrows when I shoot at this guy. And also not on bomb arrows. It would be a bad idea to shoot
Absolutely.
a bomb arrow off.
Be a bad idea to shoot an arrow off that's not there. Oh, this dude looks fucking scary. He's like, you with up, you dig? With up, I'm right here. I'm right here.
Howdy, pumpkin.
Sit down.
The guy on the bottom spotted me, by the way. Just before I started this fight.
So what?
So nothing.
I mean, he can't see you.
Yeah, just freaked me out a little. Damn, that's a line elbow.
So it shoots 3 in a row?
No,
Like-
it shoots 3 at a time.
Right. But it doesn't like do spread. It just goes in
No,
a
it
straight
does
line.
spread.
Oh, that sucks.
He's just so close that doesn't matter. All of them are hitting him anyway. This is what I was talking about, dude. My fucking melee weapons are going to be gone in just, like, using a sledgehammer to fight a fucking guardian. That's how you tell the player is at extremis. Okay, would you die, please? Could you just die? Could you? You know what? I'm just gonna shoot you in your fucking eye. Are you dead? You're dead. Woo! Okay. Can unclench slightly. Okay, so next is Walker Boy. I want this because it's got a lot of reach. Why horses?
Maybe there's something in
Do
the
they
barrels
want me to fight guardians on horseback? See, look. 3 arrows. 3 arrows. 3 arrows. Shit.
That was only 1.
It was 3. Doesn't always show it well. Yes. Yes. No. No. Okay, that was scary.
Yes. Well, what's that red thing right there?
What red thing right where?
It was in the
that fire?
ground. It was in the ground or something.
Oh, might have just been a spark from him. Okay. Okay. Yes. Wow. That had a large effect. Ah! He squinched me! Shit, 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 shit! No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, that was terrifying. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right? Unclench a little bit.
Okay. Okay. I can't! I hate that they realize that their fucking eye is their weak point, and so they guard it. There we go. No, don't get... I got squinched. Okay, hit the thing, hit the thing, hit the thing. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good.
The
Okay.
frostblade broke.
Frostblade broke. Well, fuck it. I guess
Where's
it's
the
the
fire?
mighty
Where's the
Lionel sword.
Where's the fucking electric one?
I broke it fighting the tower sentry.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
you should have been using this from the beginning. Look at that shit. That fucking Lionel sword just kind of carried a little bit right
Yeah,
there.
but
not
then
gonna lie.
it breaks eventually. And I wanted my most effective weapons for...
Last. Well, if this is the last one, then It shouldn't matter unless there's something worse after this.
God, I hope not. I don't remember. This is the thing that's stuck in my memory. There's one episode where we're like talking about what's coming next, and you can hear the realization in my voice of like, oh, fuck. That's what's next.
Oh, so you don't know if there's anything after this?
I don't. I think this is it. I mean, it's got to be it, right? Like 3 fucking Guardians? That's it. That's got to be it, right? Like, there's no way they top that.
Don't ask me. Unless they throw in a
reassure me, Ty!
Unless they fucking throw in a Mystic Beast, I don't think you have anything to worry about.
Pet my head and tell me it's gonna be okay.
Pat. I got you, dog. Homies help out the homies.
Oh, God, shitting.
Are we still swooped?
No.
Yeah, good.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
So
I want to end this episode on a dub.
So you got 2 elemental, whatever the fuck it is.
Yes.
What are you trying to do?
I was trying to get above him.
I mean, you probably can. You can probably get on the tippy top part of that.
Yeah. I didn't, like, I just stopped pushing forward, so maybe if I
think the only reason you jumped down is because the Sorcery saw you.
Well, I did stop pushing forward, yeah. And then he just slid down. So maybe... Or at least there's probably somewhere I can stand on here. No, there's not. There's not a goddamn place to stand. I can't find anywhere to stand.
But the only problem is that he could probably shoot you when you're up here.
Oh, no doubt. Okay. Jump. Okay. That can go away. And that can go away. And now I'm out of arrows. Or, well, I'm out of those arrows. And those, and those, and those. Okay. Cool. Alright, that actually wasn't bad. That was... Okay, don't climb the fucking wall. You notice both the horses were like, oh, we're out.
Yeah. I saw one running towards you for a second, and then you did that. And they're like, oh, no, I'm good.
No, we're good. Go ahead.
They ain't shooting at us because they know we're just kind of just chilling.
Yeah.
You, however, are crazy.
They come over, they're like, oh, he's busy.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think it's a good time.
Yeah. No, it's fine. Put it.
It's fine.
We'll just give it to him later.
Yeah, we'll talk to him after this.
Yeah.
You know, he's going through a lot right now.
Oh my God, he is. Okay, so now we try to take out the final fan. Oh! Got you! Now he can still shoot me from the ground. As you can see there.
He's really trying.
Yeah. Unfortunately, he can't move other than by, like, if he turns his head, it'll sometimes flip him. And then he becomes essentially the tower thing. Wow, This is really not threatening once it's on the ground. Should I? Nah, I'm not going to burn the sledgehammer if I can avoid it. If this breaks before he's dead, I may have to just step back and shoot him. There we go. Holy crap, dude. Give me a high five. Fucking shitballs, man. My God.
Now let's just pray and hope that was the last one. Because you have nothing.
Not a goddamn thing. Holy shit. That was actually better than the Lionel, just because I thought about it, and they're so, like...
Well, they actually give you time. Like, when you're not moving around and they don't see you, you have time to think. That you was just...
Lionel's just up on you. And then if you manage to get away from him, he has perfect aim with his bow that shoots 3 of whatever arrow he has. It wasn't the last thing. That's a Lionel. That is a Lionel. And an army of bokoblins on horses. An army of them. With kick-ass weapons, mind you. Oh, I'm so dead. There's no way.
You have to pick up some of them
fucking way.
There's a sword right there.
Look at him just staring at me. That is terrifying.
Is he a black one?
Oh God, I hope not. What are you doing, man? Uh-oh. That's not a good sign. Yeah, that's... Oh, God. No, 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 no. Oh, there's a chest. And a fucking guardian? Are you shitting me? Okay, at some point, you just want the player to die. You're just trying to kill the player.
There's a chest.
At some point, you are just kicking the puppy. Holy shit. At least there's plenty of weapons.
At least you're looking on a positive note, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
at least there's stuff that you can use that will...
Oh, my God.
There's actually a really good chest right there.
Yes, there
so maybe
is.
After you kill this thing with a bunch of arrows, you go after that.
Mm-hmm. And that claymore I picked up. Oh, God. Eat it. Sorry the commentary has been shittier.
The commentary's been like a little iffy because I just want to see if he can beat it, and he's focused on beating it.
Yeah. Shit! No, I didn't want you to do the full move!
Got a little closer, man.
I didn't mean to, but if you just release the attack button in the spin, he does that smash move. But if you hit B, then he just stops. So you have to actually, like, cancel the attack.
I think you should save the claymore because you're almost done killing him. Okay.
Yeah. And he's dead. Just because that's going to break. That's going to do it for this episode of Bullets and Sorcery, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Holy fuck.